How to connect 3 devices with HDMI output to one HDTV. Hey everyone, today introduce and show you how to use this device, 3-to-1 HDMI switch. Okay my friend, for switch 3-to-1 HDMI port you need this device. For buy, link in description. This device have a one output to TV HD. Here DC 5V power supply. 3 input port HDMI here. 3 LED for input 1, input 2 and input 3. And finally select key for switching input 1, 2, 3. Here remote control HDMI switch, 3 port for select HDMI output. Before I start test and learn how to use, you can see here input CAN, DVD player, STB, PS3 and PS4 and Xbox, PC, laptop and digital video camera. For input and output you can use HDTV or HD digital video projector. Now let's go to learning how to use this device and test. Let's go. Before test, please subscribe and comment opinion. Let's go. Okay my friend, as you can see, I can now switch with the PlayStation 4 and DVD and satellite receiver and laptop or PC with this key. Now for test, as you can see this PlayStation game, I try switch to satellite receiver. As you can see, change to input 2 and switch to satellite receiver. Again, I try switch to input number 1 PlayStation 4. Okay, as you can see, switching to PlayStation 4. Now switch to laptop, input number 3. As you can see, this display laptop. This device supports 3D and Dolby Digital audio, Full HD resolution, deep color. Thank you very much and goodbye.